what's up guys? It's DZ back with another unboxing video. We're going to be unboxing the Makerfire VR008 5.8 gigahertz first person view goggles. These, I want to say thank you to J Drone over at Drone Days for giving me the word up on these. These are pretty freaking awesome. I'm going to go ahead and throw the review in with this unboxing as well. Because there's not really a lot to reviewing these except for reviewing them. Let's go ahead with the unboxing, and then after I'm done with that, I'll go ahead and get you guys with the review. Alright, it comes with a cool little case. My Facebook is always blowing up. In the case comes the charger. Of course, I've already opened it to charge everything up and get it going. You have your mushroom antenna, your FPV antenna, 5.8 gig, 14 dBi. You also have your charging cord. Beautiful, beautiful. I just wish everybody would switch to lightning cords or something like that, unless Apple has the copyright on that. I hate micro USBs. They always break. And you have a video output cord. This is awesome, because if you have an external DVR and you want to use that, you can use that. If you have a AV connection on your computer, you can use that. If you have a DVR disc recorder, you can use that. But who wants to carry all that crap around with them? This is good though. This is really cool. And then you have the goggles. I don't know why that red thing keeps falling off. I want to keep those on there while I'm not using it. These goggles have a great field of view. Has a 4.3 inch screen in it. Screen resolution isn't all that great, but when you're flying a little whoop or something, you don't need super badass screen resolution unless you want to go spend a whole bunch of money. And that's why I'm here, is to try to help you guys save some money. It's a 480 by 272. I mean, it's not bad. It's actually really, really good. The screen brightness, you can adjust the screen brightness and it's all however you want it. It's got a backlit LED. The view angle is 12 o'clock. It's got 40 different channels on 5.8. Now you cannot use these, guys. These don't work with Wi-Fi. These are not Wi-Fi goggles. Wi-Fi has to have the app on your phone for the specific drone or brand of drone. You have to get the app on your phone. That's how that works. It doesn't work like, oh, here, let me go buy a pair of Makerfires and I'm going to just hook them up to any quad I've got. No, it doesn't work like that. These are for real FPV only. They will work with a lot of the Hubsons. The Hubsons that have FPV built into the controller, these will work. A lot of your little whoops will work, but you have to make sure that they're non-Wi-Fi FPV. The whole world has been flooded with all these Wi-Fi whoops and quads that they're getting away with trying to sell these to you guys without telling you that they're actually Wi-Fi. If a lot of people are seeing FPV, oh yeah, it's FPV, I'm gonna get it and I'm gonna buy some goggles. That's where they're getting people. Make sure you do your research before you buy something if you're wanting to get a real FPV bird. Now to the review of these things. I haven't had a problem using them. They come with a DVR built in. They got an SD card slot. They have a headphone jack. All your buttons are laid out beautifully. I mean, there's not a lot that you have to remember when you have these. When you have these on, you'll know where the record button is because there's only 2 buttons there. You'll know where the channel search button is because it's there. You know, your band button, there's only one button there on that side. You know, the power button and the menu button are right here by themselves. There's 2 buttons. There's 5 whole buttons on this thing. These things are great. I give them 5 stars. I mean, there could be improvements, I'm not going to lie, but for what these are and the price that they are, they're $72 on Amazon, and you can get these on Banggood. If you feel like waiting for them, you can get these on Banggood for like 45 bucks. But see, I don't like waiting. I'd rather pay that little bit of extra money and get it then. But all in all, 5 stars. Good FPV goggles. Thanks, J-Drone. You guys check him out on Facebook. Check out our Facebook group. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate y'all's support. Everything is because of you guys. I really appreciate it. And I'll keep them videos coming in for you guys. This is DZ. Peace out. Nothing but love.